Sprouts should be included in your diet, and today we'll see how to make mung bean sprouts. Take mung beans, make sure it's clean, and then we are going to rinse it with water. Rub between your palms to remove any impurities it may have. Rinse it at least 2 times, and now we are going to soak it. If you have 1 cup of mung beans, at least add 4 cups of water because they will swell and increase in size. Keep it in a warm, dark place for about 8 to 10 hours. And this is what we have after 10 hours. They are soaked very nicely. Now rinse it again for 2 times at least to remove any other impurities it may have, because once we have sprouts, we're not going to rinse it very with our palms and all. We'll rinse it very lightly. So this is the time. Clean anything it may have. Now discard all the water and keep it in the strainer. Tilt the strainer lightly, to take out all the remaining water. Cover it with a kitchen towel. Make sure the kitchen towel is touching the mung beans, and we are going to spray with very little water. Not too much water, it will catch fungus. If it's dry also, then the sprouts won't show up. So cover it and keep it aside in a warm, dark place. And this is what I have after 14 hours. The sprouts are of good size. So I want more bigger sprouts, then keep it again in the kitchen napkin. Same process. Put a little bit of water, not too much, and keep it in a warm, dark place for another 12 to 14 hours. And this is what we have. The sprouts are quite big. This is the size I usually make. So at this point, if you want to use it, you have to rinse it very lightly, check for any fungus or anything. If you follow all the instructions, you will get a healthy sprouts. So if you want to make the sprouts bigger than this, then the sprouts will come out of this strainer, and it will be very tedious job to take it out. So this is the perfect size I do. Rinse it and then air dry it and store it in a container. If you want to store it, it's better to consume it fresh. But if you want bigger size sprouts, then I air dry it for about 1 hour in the shade. And this is what I am doing. Even if I want to store it, I'll air dry it. Air dry it, sorry. And then what you do is, if you want bigger sprouts, then I just put it in the kitchen towel, wrap it very loosely, not too tight. So we want airflow along with the moisture. And then I'm going to put it in the same strainer because again, the better the airflow, less chances of it getting spoiled. And put it out there in the warm dark place for about another 12 hours. So this helps in the airflow. So I'm going to put it out there for another 12 hours, and you will get beautiful sprouts. You can use your sprouts in wraps and in making dosa, in salads. You can make curry out of it. So many different varieties. So this is the size I have. They're quite big, and see the size. And I always steam the sprouts before using it, even if I'm using it in salads. But that's your choice. So do try this and post if you have any questions or any doubts, because I want everyone to eat healthy and include sprouts in your diet.